In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export selected metadata to share with your team in Adobe Bridge. Whether you're collaborating on a project or just need to ensure everyone has the same information, exporting metadata can be a critical step in your workflow. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to have Adobe Bridge open and ready. Start by selecting a single file from which you'll be exporting metadata. It's important to note here that the built-in Export Metadata command in Adobe Bridge will only function when you have just one file selected. This step is crucial, as trying to export metadata with multiple files selected will not work and might lead to some confusion. Once you've selected your file, navigate to the top menu and click on File, then choose File Info from the drop-down menu. This will bring up a dialog box that contains all the file information. Now, as you look towards the bottom of this dialog box, you'll notice a pop-up menu labeled as Export, or something similar, depending on your version of Adobe Bridge. Selecting this option is the key to exporting your metadata. When you click on Export, a new window will prompt you to enter a file name and choose a destination for your file. This process will create a file with an .xmp extension. Now, what exactly is an .xmp file? Well, think of it as a small, portable package that contains critical metadata information about your file. It's incredibly useful when you need to share specific data between team members without having to copy or send entire files. Once you've selected a file name and destination that makes sense for you, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations, you've successfully exported your metadata into an .xmp file. The next step is to share this file with your team. You can do this through whatever means your team communicates, be it email, a shared drive, or any other file sharing service your team uses. By having this .xmp file, your team members will gain access to all the metadata you've exported. Now, how do they use this .xmp file? Your team members should open their Adobe Bridge and then go to File, select File Info, and in this dialog, they should choose the Import option. They've got to select the .xmp file you sent them. Once imported, the metadata from your file will be applied to their selected file, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. And there you have it. You've learned how to export and share metadata in Adobe Bridge, streamlining your collaborative process. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable tutorials.